What is Seel Bite Pro? Seel Bite Pro is an all-natural supplement that promotes healthy gums and teeth. It has been clinically proven to reduce gum disease, tooth decay, bad breath, and oral hygiene. Seel Bite Pro's ingredients and other coating have an antibacterial and antimicrobial layer that stops the growth of yeast, bacteria, and viruses. The olive oil base promotes good dental health by lubricating the teeth and reducing plaque buildup. How does Seel Bite Pro really work? Seel Bite Pro can be taken daily to prevent pain and gum disease. It also helps to stop bleeding, which is common with gum disease. The capsules contain natural ingredients that have no side effects. You don't have to worry about negative side effects. Seel Bite Pro used fluid to reach deep into your gums and teeth to protect them against bacteria attack. Normal saliva is not strong enough to remove plaque or keep the area clean. The supplement's natural ingredients will be mixed with saliva to kill harmful bacteria. The supplement will stop plaque formation by breaking down the intake of the capsule. The supplement may contain ingredients that can help to destroy bacteria. Each ingredient in the supplement helps to maintain healthy teeth for a long period of time. It is made from natural ingredients and has an outer coating that feels like a glove to prevent the growth of yeast, bacteria, and viruses. It helps promote healthy dental hygiene by lubricating your teeth and reducing plaque buildup. It promotes strong teeth and gum health. Seel Bite Pro takes time for natural ingredients to start working, so you don't expect immediate results. Seel Bite Pro customer review rating. Seel Bite Pro is a product that has been in existence for over 10 years. It has received positive reviews from customers. Seel Bite Pro claims it can treat all types of dental problems from gum recession to tooth sensitivity. Seel Bite Pro is rated 4 good stars overall on their website. They also have over 3,000 plus reviews. Let's hear what users have to say about Seel Bite Pro. William Seller. I have already noticed a difference in my smile since I started using the tooth caps every night. It was very difficult to find something that would reduce my sensitiveness, but this product works. Joe J. Smith CA. This is my first ever mouth guard that has allowed me to rest comfortably for over 2 years. Eunice Washington SC. They are durable, comfortable, and high-quality mouth guards. I have been using them for many years. Is Seel Bite Pro manufactured in FDA-approved facilities? The product was developed by a team made up of dentists and orthodontics. They believe the product will improve patients' smiles and oral health. Seel Bite Pro is produced in a facility that meets the FDA and GMP quality standards. According to the manufacturer, you will not be disappointed by the quality and purity of their product. It is organic and non-toxic. We guarantee that our products will work or we will return them. If you are not completely satisfied with our product, we offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. What length of time should people use Seel Bite Pro for? These 2 capsules should be taken with a large glass of water. Do not exceed the recommended dose. It can be taken whenever you like, morning, afternoon, or evening. This is the best time to indulge in your favorite dental supplement if you have had a hectic day. You should not be afraid to wait at least 3 to 4 months before you see the full benefits. Seel Bite Pro price and where to buy. Although there are many online sellers that claim to sell genuine Seel Bite Pro products, the official website of the brand is the best. You can be sure of a safe purchase and on-time delivery. Seel Bite Pro is available at a discounted price and comes with free shipping. To see the best results, manufacturers recommend that you consume this product for at most 90 days. Your body will also be able to use the plant extract and eliminate bacteria that can cause tooth decay. Consuming this supplement for the recommended time will help your teeth absorb natural minerals. The company will pay 100% if there is no result after consumption. You don't need to be concerned about the authenticity or the brand. It is available in 3 different packages according to the official website. Let's have a look at this pricing list. Basic package, 1 month supply at $69